About a week ago, I was on a Diecast event in the Netherlands. Video is on my YouTube channel, and I spotted a Hummer from So Real Concepts. It was €20. It came without the package, but it was in very good condition, and I was pretty surprised about the looks and the quality. 124 scale, so not a scale that I normally buy. And yes, I forgot to buy it, so I looked on eBay and I found this one in Italy. And they were selling it for 18 or also €20, still in the package. And with the shipping, it was €40 in total. So I thought, let's give it a try. And now it's here on the table, and I'm going to do an unboxing and review. It's all in the details. Very important. And yeah, like I was saying, a 124 scale. So Real Customs limited edition. That is what we like. Here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Freeze the frame. And here we got the website. I'm not sure if this brand is still existing. I'm afraid not. Okay, here we got some more information. We can see it's a licensed product. Here we got the address. I also looked it up on my local hobby store, and they were selling it, but for a long time ago, it is not available anymore. And back then, you can buy this Humvee for €15. A little bit dust on the box. Yeah, let's open it up. See if this one is just as cool as the one I found on the Diecast event and forgot to buy. How am I going to do this? Okay. Let's see if we can push it out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Can I do it like this? There we go. There's also a piece of paper. Okay, I guess this is for the opening parts. Certificate of authenticity. It's all in the details. Warranty card. Okay. And here we got the thing for the opening parts. It's plastic. Oh, it says 1 out of 850 pieces. I see. You can see it. That's pretty limited. It got some. This is from being a long time in the package. Let's get a scissor. Snack. There we go. Look at this thing. Yeah, it got steering wheels. Okay, that is not something that is very special with the 124 model. I think the tires also look very cool. Rubber tires. Let's have a look at this. Man, this thing looks badass. See if I can take this off later. Yeah, I think I can. Because it got all this. Yeah, that is easy to remove. So no damage. Here we got the back. Can we open the back? Nope, we cannot open the back. We got the top of the car. Okay, here is an opening part. Details of the engine are really cool, and we even have here, I think this is the battery. Oh, damn it. Now a piece of the sticker is missing. It's in the package now for quite a while. The piece of the sticker is somewhere here. Also closes very well. Let's take a look inside. That is looking very nice. Everything is there. The brake, gas pedal, yeah, steering wheel, details on the dashboard, handle for shifting gear. Got a speaker box. I think this is also a speaker box, and this right here also a speaker box. Can we open the back? I think that is possible. And then this thing. Let's see. Yep. Come on. Give me a good view. It's a little bit difficult to focus. This is better. Let's go to the other side. Something that is looking like navigation, radio, ventilation. Okay, but the coolest thing from this car is the base. Look at this. This looks really nice. We got the brand name So Real. So we got suspension. And I will show you because the suspension is working. Everything is there. It's all about the details. I thought the suspension was working. No suspension? Should be working. Or is it already so old it doesn't work anymore? Because the one on the event was still working, but I think, I mean, this looks like suspension that should be working, right? But no, I'm afraid it is already too long in the package. That is strange. No. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe no suspension at all. Maybe the suspension wasn't working. And if I'm looking a little bit better, I don't think this suspension is working. Got the exhaust right here. Anyways, I think this model looks totally awesome with the steering wheel, all the opening parts. I'm glad I have it in the collection. Rolls really well. Okay, let me know what you think about this Humvee from So Real. If you know more about the brand, please let me know. I'm really curious. I know that there is also a wetted version, but unfortunately I couldn't find that one on the World Wide Web. But yeah, I'm already happy with this one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, thumbs up. You really help me with that so I can make more diecast videos. See you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.